What happens to ideas that remain unused? I'm sure we all agree that not every idea can be executed. Does that mean the idea is bad or less creative? Well, in episode 1 of this mini-series, the first definition of creativity relied on the usefulness of the idea. But useful is a fine line to tread. Is a painting useful? How about a poem? Cognitive neuroscientist Adam Green says that calling creativity useful or novel is how products are described. And creativity is not a product. Sure, a lot of novel products stem from creativity, but we need to think of creativity as what it is, a process. When thinking of ideas, welcome the ones that don't work. An idea that gives rise to other ideas simply by being absurd. American philosopher David Roderick calls this the thought arrow. Once a thought is out, it can be received by anyone, anywhere, like an archer's arrow. And because it's out, now it can be transformed into something new, perhaps something better. Your idea is the first block on a long chain of dominoes. So, do you want to tip it over?